Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the AP Lang exam step by step. Begin by taking a diagnostic test to identify weak areas and build a study plan around those results. Prioritize timed practice and close reading, then schedule daily short drills for vocabulary and rhetorical devices. Rotate tasks weekly, simulate full practice exams every 2 weeks under timed conditions, and review mistakes to turn weaknesses into strengths. Warm up with active annotation, marking purpose, tone, and key rhetorical moves with brief notes. Practice synthesizing 2 texts into a clear argument that highlights similarities and contrasts, and develop thesis statements that guide paragraph structure. Build pacing by timing passage sets and practicing selective close reading, so you balance speed with depth during the actual exam. Start each essay with a concise plan that maps thesis and 3 supporting points before you write. Focus on crafting strong, direct thesis statements that clearly respond to the prompt and guide your argument. Use specific evidence and explain how each example supports your claim, vary sentence structure, and finish with a concise conclusion that reinforces your main line of reasoning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.